Breathable, air escape patented system eliminates excessive heat and maintains a comfortable temp so you can breathe easy and stay cool. The ventilated 2/3 mesh back integrates with high seatbacks, durable and lightweight, made with 400 by 200 denier ripstop nylon shell with breathable polyester mesh liner, polypro webbing, heavy-duty acetal hardware and zippers with self-locking teeth built for fishing gear, 2 large mesh pockets, an external pocket for a folding knife, clipping points for line nips and retractors, pliers, holster and lashing point on the back for a white light made for safety, features PE and EVA foam inserts with a buoyancy rating of 16 pounds so you can stay afloat if you end up in the water, USCG Type 3 approval, weighs only 1.37 pounds. Nature First, our entire line of PFDs is made from non-toxic foam that's recyclable and super soft. We put nature first by reusing and recycling as much as possible. Old Town's Lou Wrangler men's life jacket is designed with the performance kayak angler in mind. Made from tough ripstop nylon, the Lou Wrangler features adjustable shoulder, waist, and side straps, plus a high back construction that nests comfortably with tall kayak seats. Designed to carry a lot of gear, the Lou Wrangler features zippered pockets for secure tackle storage, stretch mesh pockets for tippets and spools, an envelope pocket for holding a VHF, GPS, plus Hypalon tab and D-ring attachment points. The Lou Wrangler's air comfort system provides unmatched breathability, keeping you cool on the hottest days. This life jacket fits a men's 48-inch to 54-inch chest and is a USCG certified Type 3 PFD. Old Town has spent more than a century innovating cutting-edge watercraft with a custom fit and feel. Whether you're fishing, sea kayaking, canoe tripping, or paddling on the lake, there's an Old Town watercraft for every type of adventurer. Sizing, adult universal is 30 inches minus 52, 76 to 132, adult oversized is 52, minus 62, 132 to 157. Nylon construction 3-buckle design universal size, for adults over 90 pounds. And 30 to 52 in. Chest size U.S. Coast Guard approved life jacket, great for a day on the boat or beach and in the pool or lake for use on a boat, a personal watercraft, or for tow. Sports 2 adjustable straps and open sides for better fit, durable construction, nylon shell, cross-deck flotation foam, 2-1 in. Webbed straps made in the USA. USCG approved personal flotation device, Type 3, perfect for wake sports, water skiing, tubing, and swimming, designed to fit snug for your safety. Minimal bulk design allows full mobility and easy on and off anatomically cut lightweight polyethylene foam flotation with durable coated polyester outer shell makes the vest strong yet soft and comfortable. Heavy-duty 1.5-inch wide webbing belts with quick-release buckles allow for an adjustable fit and easy fastening. Size up. When choosing a size, try one size larger for a more relaxed fit. Sailing Life Vest, the hit with sailing harness, is the perfect companion for your next voyage. This PFD comes equipped with 2 heavy-duty stainless steel D-rings for use with tethers. A safety whistle and water-resistant pocket are included. Auto Inflate Life Vest, Mustang Survival's hydrostatic inflator technology, HIT, is industry-leading, and automatically inflates under water pressure. Do not worry about the vest deploying if you get wet or rained on. The HIT technology only deploys once you are in the water. Top-notch sailing gear. The HIT with sailing harness is trusted by professional sailors in competition due to offering a full range of mobility, lightweight build, and stylish design. Equipped with 2 heavy-duty D-rings, this PFD allows you to remain tethered to your vessel with ease. U.S. Coast Guard approved. At Mustang Survival, we save lives for a living. The HIT with sailing harness has a recreational Type 5 with Type 2 performance USCG rating. Built for safety and comfort, the revolutionary construction of the HIT with sailing harness is lightweight and mobility enhancing. The lightweight 500D Cordura outer shell is durable, and the neoprene collar provides all-day comfort.